How to reset Bank of America online banking password. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top you'll see the search box. Over there type in bankofamerica.com and search for it. With that you will be directed to the official website of Bank of America. Bank of America is a global leader in wealth management, corporate and investment banking, and trading across a broad range of asset classes, serving corporations, governments, institutions, and individuals around the world. As you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, click on this option, Forget ID or Password. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now from here, you are able to recover your password or ID. So type in your card or account number, last 6 digits. Likewise, type in your social security number, SSN or tax ID number, TIN. If you don't have SSN or TIN, click on this option, Don't have an SSN or TIN. You'll land to this kind of page. If you don't have SSN or TIN, you have to fill this. Provide some details, checking or saving accounts number, debit or credit card number, likewise debit or credit card PIN. Once you fill this, you will be able to recover your password. But in the case you have SSN or TIN, filling this, you can click on the option of continue, and in the next page you will be able to recover your password. You will be asked to set new password for your account. Once you type in new password and click on confirm, your password will be updated. So this is how you can easily reset Bank of America online banking password. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.